Well, you were just trying to do the right thing and get you running.
My keys, next thing you know, it's
Yeah, it's always something.
I feel like an idiot. A car.
Where are they? In the car.
They're in the gas cap. They
Oh,
won't pop open.
wow.
So,
That would have been
I
a good
think-
place normally.
What brought you down here? Work?
I've been living down here since 2019,
Gotcha.
working.
Do you have a good fourth? Are you working? Or?
Yeah. You know Shem Creek.
How old is the girl, a guy?
It's a boy. Keys. He's. How about now? They're still on.
Perfect.
Yeah. Give it a try before you shut that. Unlock your car. There. Now it's unlocked. Locked. Unlocked.
Perfect.